IPL 2024 All Award List and Prize Money. Number 1, IPL 2024 winner Kolkata Knight Riders, prize money 20 crore. Number 2, IPL 2024 runner-up Sunrisers Hyderabad, prize money 13 crore. Number 3, IPL 2024 third place Rajasthan Royal on 7 crore. Number 4, IPL 2024 place 4 Royal Challengers Bengaluru earns 6.5 crores. Prize money for Purple Cap 15 lakhs. Punjab Kings Harshal Patel 24 wickets. Prize money for Orange Cap 15 lakhs. Virat Kohli most 741 runs. Prize money of emerging player Nitish Kumar Reddy 20 lakhs. Most valuable player Sunil Ryan 12 lakhs. Super striker of the season Delhi Capitals player Jack Fraser MC Gag 15 lakhs. Game changer of the season 12 lakh. Power player of the season 15 lakh.